All right, once again, I'm cut off. This is going to probably happen a lot because I'm not going to buy this software. It's free, and I'm just going to record my videos in the 5 minute limitation. I could probably, I'll figure something out, but going back to what I was doing before, for some reason, I had the wrong fill picked, but I want to show you that everything that I did before worked. You just right click. And you find, here's the Harn basic green. Remember I said Harn basic green was the tile that we created. And then you click on it. And it works. There's your color. And I don't like bugs. And that basically is it. The next video I'm going to show you how to create a tile that has something on it, like crop lines or dots or something like that. But I'm bet you by now you can probably guess how I did that. It's very generic. It's very easy. But that's basically how you create your fills in the Pro Fantasy. As you can see, it's not hard. And you can do that with all the hard maps. And that's the end of this video. Well, maybe I have enough time, do I? I'll give it a shot. Let's race for the finish line. We're going to delete this, and this. Now this, I believe, is the color that, let's just say, let's delete it. We're going to delete it. We're going to create the crop one that I told about before. So to create the crop one, we've got to find the brown. There's the brown. We're going to create a tile like we did before. First video that I made today. There's your tile. And then all you got to do is basically draw lines. I create, like I use a darker brown or whatever color. And then I create a line. And it does not matter if you cross over it or whatever it is. You can make this line thicker. You can make it thinner. To make it thicker, you simply do this. Like I'm going to make it 0.15, which is not at all what I just did. I need light. 0.15. And hit OK. And your line will be thicker. Well, there it is. It's 1 13/16 thicker, or whatever it is. But I don't know why that didn't work, but it didn't. But anyways, you create lines, and you just copy the line. You go down the center like that, and make as many lines as you need to make. It doesn't matter how you do it. And then all you got to do once the lines are done is do what I said to do before when you were creating the tiles that you put into your folder. You just take File, Save As. We're going to save it as a PNG. And then you're going to check your options. We're good on the options. And then you just save. And now you see that it doesn't matter what's on the outside because you're going to skip all that. And then you'll have your fill for your crops. That's how you do it. And you can do the same thing for the pasture fill. It's just, in that case, all you're doing is you're creating dots, and tiny little dots. You can do it like a circle, like that, or create the dot however you want to create it. And then you just copy, you make a bunch of them,